Welcome to Ukrainian Style Dolls. Let's look further and walk together. Hello! Today, this young lady invites us to travel through the amazing Ternopil region. This beautiful area is situated in the northwestern part of the country. Due to its natural, historical, and architectural monuments, Ternopil region is aptly named a tourist supermarket. So, let's meet our guide. The girl is dressed in the traditions of this region of the late 19th and early 20th centuries. That's exactly how the colors and embroidered ornaments of women's shirts will look like. Although, let's get back to the other doll first. We're gonna watch the next stage of making a doll, sewing a shirt. The lower part of the skirt is called hobortka. This unstitched women clothing looks like a fabric rectangle. The hobortka was wrapped around the waist in 1.5 turns. Women and girls often lifted the lower edge and tucked it behind the belt, thus freeing themselves from unnecessary restraints and having the opportunity to show the skillful decoration of the edge of the shirt. The hobortka is supported and at the same time decorated with kraika, a long belt with an ornament. Kraika was wound several times around the waist. The colors were chosen in harmony with the costume. Girls usually gather their long hair with the help of uplitki. It's kind of fixing tapes, and the back of the head was decorated with multicolored ribbons, stonchki. The top of the head is decorated with a gerdan. A gerdan is a strip of beads strung in a certain way. Ornaments made of woven beads are often found in Eastern Europe. Back in those days, masters of bead weaving achieved a very high skill. Those gerdans are real works of art. Even today, such jewelry on a woman's head and neck testifies to her exquisite taste. To decorate my doll, I used rhinestones as a hint of a beaded necklace. I also imitated a coral necklace and silver ducachi around her neck. Such improvisation is very close to ethnic traditions, and from a number of Ukrainian dolls, you can confidently recognize a girl from Ternopil. I named this girl Sofia. No wonder she has this name. Sofia means wisdom. Her story is the story of a student. She studies at a university. She is very clever. She's gonna have a book in her hands. Sofia is majoring in historical science. Such specialists are needed in Ternopil because this region is especially rich in historical monuments. The largest concentration of palaces and castles of Ukraine is in the Ternopil region. Among the most famous are the castles and palaces of Terebovля, Kremenets, Zbaraj, Vishnevtsi, and Ternopil. The famous French writer Honoré de Balzac visited the castle of Prince Vishnevetsky, called it a little Versailles. Ternopil region is one of the most famous areas in Europe with underground karst caves, the history of which dates back in centuries. Tourists are attracted by the largest gypsum cave, which hasn't been fully studied yet. Its name is Optimistic Cave. Its length is 240 kilometers. It's even hard to imagine. There are many majestic sites of worshipping. Pilgrims of various faiths are streaming to Ternopil region. The most famous is the Greek Catholic spiritual center in the village of Zarvanitsa, the pearl of world orthodoxy, Pochayev Lavra. Pilgrims from all over the world have been visiting its shrines for several centuries. The beauty of the nature in Ternopil region is impressive. The amazing Dniester Canyon passes through its territory. Ukrainians are drawn to this beauty, admiring the amazing scenery. There are some waterfalls there. Jurinsky Waterfall, Maiden's Tears Waterfall. This is a beautiful, hospitable land. And next week, we will be traveling to the far east of Ukraine, to Donetsk region. See you!